Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to disable Bluetooth on a Vizio Soundbar, turn off pairing and discoverable mode. Method first is disable voice assistant Bluetooth. Ensure the soundbar is powered on and press and hold the button Bluetooth on the remote for approximately 10 seconds. Then listen for a low tone double keep beep or check the front LED for confirmation. This indicates the voice assistant Bluetooth feature is disabled. Repeat the process to re-enable the feature if necessary. Second method is turn off auto VA voice assistant. Press and the setup button on your Vizio remote control, then use the up down arrow to navigate to auto VA. Then press the left arrow to toggle auto VA off. Third method is factory reset. Ensure the soundbar is powered on, then locate the physical button on the top or side of the soundbar. Then press and hold the Bluetooth and volume down button simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Observe the LED light on the front flashing multiple times to confirm the reset. Repair your Vizio TV or audio source after the reset. Thanks for watching.